So first up, we have this bob haircut transformation. This is a beautiful classic bob style. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So here we have the stylist who did add in some extensions, and then he's going in and cutting the hair. So I'm guessing she probably added the extensions for volume. Stylist cuts the hair into like a shoulder length, a lob or bob haircut. I really like the ombre effect that the extensions added to her hair. Gorgeous. Kind of like a reverse ombre because it is lighter at the ends and darker at the root. Very pretty. And then we have another bob haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, absolutely gorgeous bob. She does have some texture as well. Very nice. Then we have someone with very long waist length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting more of like a mid-length cut. And mid-length cuts are perfect for if you want to go shorter but you don't want to cut your hair too short. You want to keep some length there. This would be a great option to try out. And here we have another beautiful shoulder length bob. Her hair has so much body and movement. So pretty. So here we have another bob haircut transformation. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the bold, bright blonde color that she has. And the shape of this bob is just absolutely unreal. It perfectly frames her face. This is gorgeous. So then we see someone with like shoulder length hair. It's like she's gonna take things much shorter with a bob. Maybe a pixie, but I'm guessing a bob. Oh, she kind of did like a pixie bob, longer bangs in the front. Oh, so chic and stylish. I absolutely adore this. I really like that hair color too, so pretty. Wow, she has some beautiful hair. Nice and, oh, okay. Whoa, he took it short. Oh, okay, he's still going. I was not expecting that, honestly. Oh, wow, look at this color. Breathtaking. This is definitely a shocking transformation. I thought maybe she was gonna cut like the ends, but wow, what a dramatic change. She looks good though, I love it. Sometimes you need a nice bold color and a new haircut. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these hairstyles spotted within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.